Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Mapro Mojito. This simple method ensures a delicious, refreshing drink every time. First, gather your essentials, about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and approximately 2 tablespoons of Mapro Mojito syrup. Don't forget sparkling water, plenty of ice cubes, and a sturdy tall glass. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those flavors bursting. Take your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and place them directly into your tall glass. Next, cut 1 lime into 4 to 6 small wedges and add them to the glass with the mint. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the mint and lime together. You want to release their fragrant oils and juices, not tear the mint leaves apart. With your mint and lime muddled, it's time to add the sweetness and chill. Carefully pour about 2 tablespoons of Mapro Mojito syrup into the glass, ensuring it mixes with the muddled ingredients. Next, fill your glass generously with ice cubes, right up to the brim. Finally, slowly top off the entire mixture with approximately 150 milliliters of sparkling water, or until the glass is full. Almost ready to enjoy? Give your mojito a gentle stir with a long spoon to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the flavors are evenly distributed. Take a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more syrup or a splash more lime for extra tang. For the perfect presentation, garnish your refreshing drink with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin slice of lime. Serve immediately and savor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.